Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a rainbow summer experiment. Are you ready for this?
Hold up.
What you need to do this is one Q-tip, but if you like, you can use two because it might break. You need 4 colors of food coloring. I have blue, pink, yellow, and purple. And you need this soap, the Q-tip. What you have to do with the Q-tip, you have to put the Q-tip in here, and then when all your colors are mixed up with milk, it will work. And you put this and something magical will happen. Well, not magical. So now what we have to do, we have to pour this container of milk into our paper plate. Hey, we have to write about the milk. Yeah. So now what we have to do, we have to add some drops of these 4 colors into our milk. Now we're gonna add my pink food coloring. Next, yellow. And now the last one, purple. Our last step, but are you ready for it? Now our last step is to dip our Q-tip into the dish soap and put it here.
There you go.
And this is what happens when you put the dish soap in. It makes a very cool rainbow. It puts color into your milk and it makes it super duper pretty. My mom will be coming and she will see what happens. Mom, come. And we're gonna add some more dish soap just to make it a bit better. This is what we made today with everybody. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hold up.